everybody, how are you? This is Jennifer from Wuhu Deli Foods in China. We are a manufacturer over 20 years and export rice protein powder to European countries especially, but also to some countries. Food grade rice protein is the healthiest protein powder compared to other plant protein. It's light yellow powder, smooth texture with a strong aroma of rice. DELI Foods food grade rice protein powder is based on organic brown rice. No pesticide residues, more healthy. Rice protein is suitable for people of all ages to help in the growth and the maintenance of muscles and bones. There are organic rice protein powder and non-organic rice protein powder. Then I will show you some details about these two rice protein powder. This one is organic rice protein powder. The mesh is around 600 and 1000 is also okay. And the protein powder content is around 80 to 85%. But it depends on your choice. You can choose more high. It looks green and yellow. The moisture is around 5. And this one is non-organic rice protein powder. We'll show you details. There are little difference between the color. The organic looks more yellow. This is green, a little green, but generally green or light yellow is also okay. And this one is organic. This one is non-organic. If you want to take the rice protein powder, please to use the cold or warm water to put the rice protein powder. It can be used after fitness exercise or about 30 minutes before going to the bed. And the best effect is once a day. But please remember, you cannot eat it on an empty stomach, because keep healthy is the most important thing for us. For the rice protein powder, we have many kinds of package, bulk package and a small package, and the plastic bottle like this one, and the plastic bag is also okay. And the value is from 200 or 500 or 700 or even 1 kg is also okay. Wuhu Deli Foods exporting rice protein powder. We are the professional. And then welcome to contact us. Then bring simple the rice protein. Simple welcome to your site. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.